Love is in the air, and I have the perfect Valentine's music for you. African musicians and music lovers around the world have been sending me in all week their favorite African romantic music videos, along with personal introductions. Here are the top 5.
Girl, do you remember, girl?
Yes, so my name is Fancy Gadam from Africa, based in Ghana. I want to dedicate this song for my fans across the world. I want to send special Valentine message for my fan base, especially the Gadam Nation, the Gadam Nationals. Thank you so much for supporting me.
Bulbul from South Sudan. I am here to wish you a happy Valentine. I invite all of you to go and listen to one of my favorite songs. I call it You Are a Queen. And my thanks goes to Music Time in Africa, Voice of America, my family, my friend, my super fans around the world. Happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's, everybody. My name is Kasiva Mutua. I'm a percussionist and drummer from Nairobi, Kenya. I'd love to dedicate a beautiful song by Sangari called Fajamu. To anybody watching all over Africa and all over the world, be kind to each other, love one another, and too much love from Kenya.
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is all the way from South Africa. I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone, and the perfect music video that celebrates